Hi, this is Dashani and today I am going to show you my go-to Indian makeup look. So I am using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. First, I will start with a little bit of Strobe or Highlighter to just keep it dewy. Just make sure it goes into the skin. Now I'm going to use a concealer, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer 50 Cafe. Next, I'm gonna use a concealer just under the eyes, not much, and around the mouth. Slightly blend it with a brush or a sponge. Now I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. It's a 310 Shun Beige. I have taken a little bit of foundation, which is the base. I will go to this part of my face which is down from the cheekbone. It doesn't hide anything, just blend it and makes it into an even skin tone, which is what you need. Always remember to go over the neck, so this is pretty much it. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows with this Music Flower 24 Hours Long Wear Gel Brow. I am very specific about my eyebrows. What I'm going to do is just slightly soften up the gaps. Now I'm going to use the City Mini palette, Maybelline New York. So here is the little thing that you know, a little bit of eyeshadow just on the lid, and I like to blend it with my finger. It blends very well. Now I'm going to use Bellora Paris Kajal, Jet Black Kajal. Now comes the main part, which is my favorite, the Kajal. So what I will do is I will take a flat brush, the same that I was using for my brows. So basically it's a little tricky to get this part. What you need to do is just to create a defined wing with an angle brush. I'm using Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. Next is curling my lashes. The most important makeup you need to own is mascara. Because even if you don't do anything, just nice brush out eyelashes make a lot of difference. I'm using Insight Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette and I'm taking this shade. So I'm very passionate about contouring, because my hair is sleek right now. I would just go over like an upward movement on the cheekbone and the jawline. I am using Dream Blush from Ilana in the shade Crystal Mauve. Next is using a cheek tint. I will use cheek tint. I will not use any other like powder product because I really like that natural glow on my face. So I will go over the nose also. I'm using LP's Gold Big Highlighter and then highlighter, which is again my favorite. I will use a Bindi. I'm actually obsessed with this thing and it makes the whole look come together. I'm using my Glam matte lip liner pencil Eagle. The last thing I'm left with is lips. So I always line the lips first, and I'm gonna go for a super nude color for this. And for lipstick, I'm using Faces Canada shade number 9. I'm ready. Ta-da! So this is my go-to Indian makeup look. I hope you really like it. Like and subscribe to Girls Buzz if you found this video useful. Bye!